Hey there, so imagine you're using Microsoft Office 365 on your trusty Mac, right? You've downloaded some fancy fonts from the cloud, but now comes the tricky part. Where on earth are they stored? The fonts are not in any of the standard Mac system font folders, nor are they hiding in the depths of the application packages. So what's the deal? Well, that's the problem we're facing today. So here comes the solution to our font finding mystery. According to a helpful answer I stumbled upon, Microsoft's cloud fonts have a secret hideout in this location: library group containers UBF8T346G9. Office font cache for cloud fonts. Ta-da! It's like a treasure trove for fonts waiting to be discovered. Problem solved. Well, at least one problem. But hey, progress is progress, right? In a nutshell, our font quest has come to an end. The elusive fonts from Microsoft Office 365 on your Mac are cozying up in the Chtash library group containers UBF8T346G9. Office font cache for cloud fonts directory. Now you know where to find them when you need to add that extra oomph to your documents or presentations. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite font pun. See you next time.